Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing an ideal meal recipe to enjoy tasty and healthy food. Though we do not have vegetables or meat in our kitchen, still we can prepare a healthy and delicious meals. So let's get into the video and see what it is and how to prepare. To start with, here I am taking 2 cups of rice, wash and add 4 cups of water to this and soak for about 30 minutes and cook. Here I am going to use this 2 cups of cooked rice for all the 3 different dishes we are making here. Here I am adding 4 cups of water for this 2 cups of rice and then cook. While the rice is being cooked, meanwhile take a pan, add 2 spoons of butter and allow it to melt. After the butter is melted, I am going to add all these ingredients: peanuts, cashews, split chickpea, urad dal, zeera, mustard and green chilies. Now I am adding mustard seeds, 1 spoon of zeera, 1 spoon of urad dal, 2 spoons of split chickpea, half a cup of peanuts and cashews. Now saute them and allow it to fry. Here I am adding little amount of asafoetida. This asafoetida, apart from giving good flavor and smell to the dish, this helps in proper digestion. Now add 3 spoons of raisins. Despite of their small size, raisins are packed with energy and rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Raisins are naturally sweet and high in calories. And coming to cashews, cashews are protein rich and excellent source of antioxidants. Here I am adding 3 green chilies that are slit longitudinally. And cashews make a fantastic vegan cream as they are rich in heart healthy fatty acids. Cashews contains no cholesterol. Allow them to fry nicely and saute in between to avoid burning. After everything is fried well, add handful of cilantro to this. Now add a cup of fresh grated coconut to this. Saute and fry. Keep stirring continuously until the coconut is well fried and leaves good aroma. Coconuts are especially high in manganese, which is essential for bone health and the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and cholesterol. They are also rich in copper and iron, which helps to form red blood cells, as well as selenium, an important antioxidant that protects your cells. Here I am adding 1 spoon of ghee as I felt that coconut is getting burned at the bottom. Our coconut is also rich in fiber and offer a number of benefits, including improved heart health and weight loss. It takes few minutes for the coconut to fry completely and leave good aroma. Meanwhile, our rice is cooked and I am going to divide this rice into 3 portions and use for the 3 dishes. Now add 1 part of rice to this fried coconut and give a good mix until everything combines. Now add salt according to taste and give a good mix and saute for 2 to 3 minutes continuously. So friends, our delicious and healthy coconut rice is ready. So as our first dish is ready, let's move on to the second dish. To start with our second dish, take a pan, heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add half a cup of peanuts, half a cup of split chickpea, 1/4 cup of urad dal, and saute and fry them. Once they are 50% fried, now add 4 pots of peeled garlic to this. Now add 5 to 6 red chillies. This is optional. If you don't like to add red chillies, you may add black pepper in this place. Now add fried gram and saute and fry on medium flame. This frying takes place for about 5 to 6 minutes because we are frying them on a medium flame. Now add 2 spoons of coriander seeds to this and fry until everything is fried well. Keep stirring continuously throughout this frying process, otherwise they will not be cooked properly. Now add a spoon of zira or cumin seeds to this and saute until nice aroma comes. After everything is fried well, switch off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. On cooling, transfer this to the mixie jar. To this add handful of dried coconut powder and salt according to taste and grind to a fine powder. Now heat the same pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this heated oil add 1/4 spoon of urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin, asafoetida, 1 spoon of turmeric powder and give a good mix until everything is fried well. To this add 3 to 4 tablespoons of our prepared powder and give a good mix until everything combines well. Store the remaining powder for next use whenever it is required. Split chickpeas that we added in this powder is rich in protein and fiber keeps us full for longer time and protein satiates hunger. Now add our pre-cooked rice and stir continuously until everything combines well. Also, the urad dal that we added to this powder is one of the richest sources of proteins and vitamin B. Urad dal also has iron, folic acid, calcium, magnesium and potassium. For those who do not eat animal protein, this is an excellent source of protein. Keep stirring continuously on medium flame until everything combines to avoid burning from the bottom side. So friends, our healthy and delicious rice with nuts and lentils powder is ready to serve. So enjoy this without any guilt when you are running out of vegetables or meat in the kitchen. So as we are done with this, let's move on to the third dish. To proceed with our third dish, heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil to this. The oil is heated, add 2 spoons of split chickpea and 1 spoon of urad dal to this. Now add 1/4 spoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 a spoon of cumin seeds and asafoetida. Now add 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1/2 a cup of cashews and fry them. Now add 3 split green chilies, a handful of chopped onion, 1 cup of sliced tomatoes and give a good mix until everything combines well. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro and give a good mix. Keep continuous stirring until they are fried well. Now add salt according to taste and 1/4 spoon of red chili powder. Here our tomatoes are major dietary source of antioxidant called lycopene. Now add half a spoon of garam masala powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder and give a good mix. Now saute and add 1 spoon of kasuri methi and cook for few minutes. Once everything is cooked well, now add our pre-cooked rice and give a good mix until everything combines well. Now keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. Here I added kasuri methi, nothing but dried fenugreek leaves because fenugreek helps in controlling diabetes. Here our third dish, tomato rice, is ready to enjoy. So friends, our ideal meal recipes to enjoy tasty and healthy food though we do not have vegetables or meat in our kitchen are ready. Please try these recipes and do comment how they turned out. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.